In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Mailchimp subscription according to your current needs. Whether you're looking to pause your plan for a short period or want to completely sever ties with Mailchimp, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can make the best decision for your situation. Let's start with the first option, which is to pause your plan temporarily. This is a great choice if you'd like to stop being billed for now, but might want to return to using Mailchimp in the future. Pausing your plan allows you to keep your account active, meaning all your data and configurations are saved, yet it suspends any active billing or email sending functionalities. To begin, head over to the Mailchimp website and log into your account. Once you're in, locate your profile icon, which is typically at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Account and Billing. This will take you to the management section of your account. From here, go to Settings, then move down to the option that says Manage My Plan. In this section, you'll see the option to Pause My Plan. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to confirm this action. To do so, type in the word Pause when asked, and then click Pause My Plan again to finalize the suspension. Keep in mind, pausing your plan doesn't delete any of your data, so you can easily pick up where you left off whenever you're ready to return. Now, if you've decided that Mailchimp no longer fits your needs at all, and you want to completely delete your account, I'll walk you through those steps. Be absolutely certain before you proceed because deleting your account is irreversible. This means all your audiences, custom campaigns, and any reports you've generated will be permanently lost. With that in mind, let's go through the actions. Begin by, once again, clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the Mailchimp interface. Select Account and Billing, which will bring you back to the same management section. Go to Settings and then click on Manage My Plan. Here, you'll find the option Delete My Account. Click on that, and to proceed with the deletion, follow the prompts provided to confirm your decision. You'll be asked to type out the word Delete to ensure you intend to go through with this. Once you've typed Delete, click Permanently Delete to complete the process. There you have it. The two primary ways to manage your Mailchimp subscription, whether you're taking a break or leaving permanently. Remember to choose the option that best aligns with your long-term needs. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments below.